Before the United States had a constitution, before there was even a Declaration of Independence, the House of Burgesses. In 1619, it became the first step toward democracy in what would become the United States. But how did it come to be? And how did it influence the Revolutionary War? Let's find out. In 1607, the English established Jamestown, Virginia, as the first permanent settlement in North America. But early life in the colony was hard. Famine, disease, and conflicts with indigenous peoples made survival uncertain. By 1619, the Virginia Company, which controlled the colony, decided they needed local governance. The solution? A representative assembly, the House of Burgesses. It would allow settlers to have a say in their own laws while still being under English rule. House of Burgesses met for the first time on July 30th, 1690, consisted of 22 representatives, known as Burgesses, elected by white, landowning men in the colony. The governor and his council, appointed by the king, had final authority. But this was the first taste of self-government in the New World. The House could create laws and taxes, though they had to be approved by England. Over time, they became more independent, challenging British authority, an idea that would later fuel the American Revolution. Future American leaders served in the House of Burgesses, including George Washington and Thomas Jefferson. Patrick Henry famously stood before the Burgesses, delivering fiery speeches against British rule. One major decision: the passing of laws protecting private property, which set the foundation for future American policies. The House of Burgesses also took a stand against British taxation, resisting laws like the Stamp Act and the Tea Act. As tensions with Britain grew, the House of Burgesses became a centre of resistance. In 1765, they openly opposed the Stamp Act, calling it unfair taxation without representation. In 1774, after they protested British policies, the royal governor dissolved the House. But its members continued meeting in secret, laying the groundwork for independence. Burgesses didn't just create laws, it helped inspire revolution. Many of its members became leaders in the fight for independence, shaping the government that would eventually replace British rule. When the American Revolution began, the Virginia House of Burgesses was replaced by the Virginia General Assembly. From its humble beginnings in Jamestown, the House of Burgesses planted the seeds of American democracy. It showed that colonists could govern themselves.